This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ruby, Connecticut. Very pretty house. Light and bright, very neutral. Big corner lot with privacy fenced backyard. Covered front porch. Newer architectural shingled roof. Newer HVAC. Windows 2015, flooring 2016, stainless appliances all recently replaced, range only 1 year old. Nest thermostat. Oversized 2-car garage with workbench and electric door opener. 9 ceilings down. 2-story living room. Big kitchen with breakfast area open to family room with gas fireplace and marble surround. Curved archways leading into downstairs rooms. Loft looks down to LVR and has double closet and family room, great for office, nursery, etc. Giant master bedroom with 4 windows. Mbath with double sink, vanity.